All right, so early within the chapter, they talked about walking into a shop where it's clean, right? Yes or no? All right, so would y'all walk into a shop that's dirty?
No.
No?
Dusty.
Dusty? Nah, you wouldn't do that, right?
You wouldn't know, Coach, until you walked in there.
Right, yeah.
Back out.
What if it was hair everywhere, you couldn't walk, you were just walking on hair, other people's hair, and you seen that they never swept up, or it was just dirty in there? Stay bored? Would you call them? Would you call stay bored? No.
You could assume that their equipment and stuff over like be dirty as well.
Yes. Yep, definitely. Mike?
When I'm not doing anything, you know, there's so much hair and they're busy working, I just sweep it up.
Yeah. Yeah, and then as a business owner, you definitely want to have somebody that's there to sweep up.
Yeah.
You know, it's not going to cost much. Everybody under the table with being a sweeper. So if you're a person that can just sweep up, just help other barbers out, that would be definitely good. Because like I said, state board come in, you definitely don't want, you know, people to get fined in your shop, especially if you're a shop owner. But when it comes down to disinfecting your tools and implements, remember, 9 times out of 10, you're going to have new clients come walking in, and they're going to be coming to you. And the main focus for a new consumer or customer is the fact that they want to build trust with you. And one of the first parts of building trust is making sure that you're clean, making sure that your area is clean, making sure that you know how to disinfect and clean your implements. You know, before it's before it's trying to figure out, well, is this person gonna cut my hair good? They want to know, is this person clipper clean? You know, do they know how to keep themselves up properly, right? So the best way to, you know, position yourself to be trustworthy on the cleanliness side is to go ahead and clean with your brush on your clippers. Making sure that if you did have a previous client, that you make sure you show this new client that you just are cleaning your tools, your implements right in front of their face. And then at the same time, when it comes down to disinfecting your tools and implements, you want to make sure that you spray right next to them. That way they can see. They can say in their mind mentally, oh, this person is clean. This person knows what they're doing. I never probably even seen a barber do that. But the fact that I've seen this person do it that's what they want to see. Trust me, your client, you may not think that your clients see it, but they definitely see it. Anybody got feedback on that? Has anybody seen a barber spray and clean their tools? No? Sometimes, okay. All right.
Do you use the air compressor?
No, I haven't used the air compressor. But you can, though. You can. What does an air compressor do? What's the benefit of an air compressor?
It takes out all the air from the clippers.
Yeah, it takes off all the hairs, right? It'll be beneficial for the shop. I would sometimes I would have that keyboard computer duster, and I'll just spray it. But that's not effective as the air compressor. Inhale it. So the air compressor is your best bet. Especially an air compressor, you know, you can use for, you know, the hair on your client's capes or whatever the case may be. So a lot of people use that, so that's beneficial. All right, but keep in mind that when state board comes in, they want to make sure that there's no hair on that tube. So just like how we seen on the video, you want to spray down your cords. You want to make sure that your cords is clean also. All right, so keep that in mind. All right, I'm gonna finish reading on page 63, bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled microorganisms that have both plant and animal characteristics. A microorganism is any organism of microscopic or submicroscopic size. Some bacteria are harmful and some are harmless. Bacteria can exist almost anywhere, on skin, water, in the air, in decayed matter or environmental surfaces, in body secretions, on clothing, or under the free edge of nails. All right, that's why it's important that we want to make sure that we wash our hands. And also wear gloves. Wearing gloves is a very important aspect of not spreading the bacteria. Bacteria are small. They can only be seen with the microscope. I'm on page 64, types of bacteria. There are thousands of different kinds of bacteria which fall into two primary types, pathogenic and non-pathogenic. Most bacteria are non-pathogenic. In other words, they are harmless organisms that may perform useful functions. I'm going to repeat that over. There are two types of primary bacteria, pathogenic and non-pathogenic. All right, make sure y'all got that written down, highlight that. Most bacteria are non-pathogenic. In other words, they are harmless organisms that may perform useful functions. They are safe to come in contact with since they do not cause disease or harm. For example, non-pathogenic organisms are used to make yogurt, cheese, and some medicines. In human body, non-pathogenic bacteria help the body break down food, protect against infection, and stimulate the immunity system. Pathogenic bacteria are harmful organisms, microorganisms, that can cause disease or infection in humans when they invade the body. Shops and schools must maintain strict standards for cleaning and disinfecting at all times to prevent the spread of pathogenic organisms. That's why we go ahead and when we go downstairs in the practical, in the lab, we want to make sure that we clean our stations, right? Because we don't know what the last class or whoever, what they did. They may have bacteria, they may have germs, we never know. But we want to make sure that we take the right precaution to make sure that we don't spread any bacteria or diseases. Okay, it is critical that students learn proper infection control practices while in school to ensure that they understand the importance of following them throughout their career. Table 4.1 presents terms and definitions related to pathogens. All right. So remember, you know, that day when we started cutting, right? And we got nicks, we got bumps here and there, right? We want to make sure, in regards to this chapter, infection control, that we have a greater understanding of how to move forward in regards to someone getting cut. We want to take it easy, right? What's the next step of taking it easy? We want to talk with the person, the client, right? What else? Wash your hands. What else? Powder stuff. What's the powder stuff? What was that? Talctic. Talctic, right? Talc powder. Antiseptic powder. TALC powder. Talc powder, right? What else? Anything else after that? We just let them go? Clean the wound, right? Okay. And bandage them up, right? Okay. Yeah, send them on their way. What if you didn't finish cutting them? You just
finish cutting.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Any other questions? Feedback. Chapter 4. Make sure you go ahead and study up. Got about 5 more minutes before we head out. Remember, we have assignments due for the 21st, which is tomorrow. Got about 2 assignments, so make sure you do them. Make sure you study. I'll let you guys know if this will be a Chapter 4 and Chapter 5 test, so I'll let you know beforehand. All right, so hopefully everybody brought their blow dryer. 113 class brought their blow dryer and their curling irons. Curling irons. Blow dryer and curling irons. All right. All right, let's pack up and get ready.